Ever wished you could schedule a post in your BuddyPress community, just like you do on your social media or blogging platforms? Imagine being able to plan announcements, promotion, or community messages in advance and letting them go exactly when they are needed. That's what the BuddyPress Schedule Activity plugin helps you do. So hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be going over the BuddyPress Schedule Activity plugin. This super handy tool by Webcom Designs let community member and site admin schedule their activity post to publish at a future date and time. So whether you're running an online class or managing a social group or launching a campaign, this plugin is a game changer for staying organized and ahead of the curve. So let's see this plugin in motion. I will simply go on our site and then I will click on try demo. This helps you can test out the plugin beforehand. Launch demo. I can say input my data. So actually I have the site up and running at the moment. So this is my site. Okay. So this is a very direct plugin. I will simply go on my comment activity area. Now I will make a demo post. So demo, and now we have the option to schedule activity. So there are two options. We can view the previous activity that we have scheduled, or we can schedule a new one. So going on that, I can choose that year, date, month and date. So I'm choosing a today's date. Then I can set the time. We have the option of AM and PM here. So I will just click on 12:55. Then next. So now I can choose where I can post this. So I can post this under my profile activity or under a group activity. So right now I'm just choosing profile and click schedule. So now we have the notification that we have successfully scheduled our activity. Let me check this if it's updated in my profile. So these all are my previous schedule activity. As you can see here, I've actually created a demo beforehand to test this, and this is my demo I created at the moment. Okay, so this is the post that is scheduled. So this is a very direct plugin that has only one function here, to schedule activities. So let me summarize this whole plugin by mentioning the key features. That is, you can schedule post in advance, as we saw, so you're always right on schedule. Then this plugin is only available on front end, so there is no complicated backend required here. You can simply go on your comment comment area, or sorry, posting area, and make a new post. You will have the option directly, and you can check all the schedule activities in your profile also. So there's very clean UI. You can simply use the calendar and date and time picker here. Then it works for user groups and site-wide activity, as we saw here. Under this option you can choose where you want to post the post. Then it also had admin and admin control. So like site admin can control who can actually schedule the post. So specific role members or member type or anyone actually can be given the right to schedule activities, schedule posts, sorry. Then it all actually auto publishes without any hassle, so you don't have to come back and click on post. So that was all for this plugin. I hope that was helpful. So with BuddyPress Schedule Activity, your community gets a productivity boost and you get the peace of mind. So no more missed updates, forgotten announcement, or scrambling to post things last minute. Everything runs on your timeline. So that was all for this plugin. Thank you.